वजीर खजाना इसहाक डार ने भी पाकिस्तान के एटमी प्रोग्राम पर कोई समझौता न करने की यकीन दहानी कराई है। सेनेट में खिताब के दौरान वफाकी वजीर ने कहा कि किसी फर्द को यह इख्तियार नहीं दिया जा सकता कि पाकिस्तान की मिसाइल की रेंज या न्यूक्लियर डेटरेंस का फैसला करे। इसहाक डार ने क्या कहा, मुलाहिजा कीजिए।
Mr. Chairman, let me assure you that the reason nobody is there to compromise anything on the nuclear or the missile program of Pakistan. No way. We are responsible citizens of Pakistan. We represent people of Pakistan. We are here to protect and we have to guard our national interests. Nobody has any right to tell Pakistan that what range of missiles it can have and what nuclear weapons it has. We have to have our own deterrence. So as for the IMF program delay is concerned, what I'm saying that this program was entered into the previous regime in 2019. This program should have been over by 2022. There's normally the 12 reviews of EFF Extended Finance Facility Program, and the one which has been completed in the history of Pakistan was 2013-16 program.